My people, una notice say this Mohbad issue, this justice for Mohbad, say a lot of distraction na for inside. I don't know how they will take get justice for this Mohbad. Honestly, this video so when you guys is about to watch, they come from very dark black man. The interview when he interviewed this guy, so because this guy, I go through his story, he post a lot of things about Mohbad wife, wetin dey sup, the life of Mohbad, how they take dey carry am go different hospital, the time when e take dey alive. And this matter so, police say that they investigate, they don't do autopsy. Till now, autopsy never see come out. The result never come out. Obodo Naija. Make una lis ten to very dark man wey interview this guy. Make una hear everything and make una still leave una opinion wetin una observe for inside this video. So when very dark man interview this guy, whether this talk when this guy talk, whether na true na him dey talk or na false, and I go see una ending of this video. Make we analyze this matter, wetin me sef observe for inside this issue. Make una watch.
Alright, I suppose don't go Abuja like today, and because of your posts where don't go viral for social media, and it make me say make I call you. You know how this Mohbad case dey go. A lot of people won't know the truth of what happened to Mohbad. You understand? Like me, I don't talk am before online. I say this one where everybody dey shout Naira make the real truth where happen no can escape. Why would they chase shadow? You understand? Now I know I made this in there as if we do podcast. See the way I rush come so that you will not say okay, you won't talk waiting you feel say it happen, where he help the case. You understand? Now I see say you don't post a lot of things for social media. Like you don't post a lot for your story views, you don't post a lot. You don't talk about the wife, you don't talk about you and Mohbad, don't they? First question, how long you don't know Mohbad for?
I don't know I've
You go guys talk loud.
I've known him for since 2017, I think. Yeah, 2017.
Since 2017.
We didn't even have a house on the island because every of our clothes and everything is always in my own car boot. In my car boot. That was Big Daddy aside then.
Okay. Now I won't go straight to the point because me I don't even like all this. Now this boy buying like this, as this boy don't buy like this. All with you talk for your story. You understand? You get one pass where you talk about the wife. I want to start with the wife because that's the point when nobody they look. Do you understand? Move first start with the wife. Now, what you say, you they talk plenty things. Just repeat what you talk for your story about the wife.
Yeah, about the wife, I would say this. When the incident occurred, I saw everything online. She started pinning everything. Though when they post every bullied and all, I wasn't even now. Even the day he went to Marlians house, the Darusha guy called me himself. He was the one that called me that well we share idea online. I said I'm not doing anything. So he said Mohbad went to Marlians house. Then I said went to Marlians house to do what, like to go and fight or what? I don't even know what happened then.
Wait carry and go Marlians house that
due to what I heard, they said him and his manager, which is Tunde, they were having issue on their WhatsApp group, which he mentioned him is not even like you, that your wife is controlling. Then Mohbad told him that he will come and repeat that statement in my presence. And I think
so the wait till the guy name
Tunde.
The Tunde guy tell Mohbad say he no be like person where wife they control.
Yeah, no.
Now I make Mohbad converse go the house. So say make the guy repeat am for in front.
Yes.
So now we take carry Mohbad go Naira Marley house that day.
But nobody knows.
But nobody knows.
Yes.
Okay, so now only him go Naira Marley place that day.
Him with his friends. I even call those people that were with him. I still talk to one of those people with him. I have proofs. I have many of them. I've called them. I used to, before me, I will start talking. I don't go on sentiment or anything. I don't go, even the fact that I know Naira, I will never come online and say, if they say he did something wrong, which is the allegation they made against him, but it's been there already. What about those ones that is hidden, that happens to Mohbad truly that day on that day show? Waiting so but they don't want to come. They were trying to hide stuff. I don't want to mention him. There was one of their associates who is like a road manager to Mohbad. He told me everything. He said Mohbad had video, he showed them. He showed them on the phone. He showed them. He showed them. Whenever they go to shows, that SI will send video of Mohbad having anything with somebody to his wife.
Wait, who be SI?
The manager.
Mohbad manager.
Yes, that one are lesbian. That one they do lesbian, but it be like say as they tell me, as the person tell me, the person wey dey with them, he say that one and SI that they get affairs together, but he does not know.
Mohbad wife.
Yeah.
And Mohbad manager.
Yes, SI.
They knack.
That one now woman in the knack well.
Wait, you see all these things where they talk, you guys get proof, my brother. Don't just open your mouth talk based on say. So now you dey say Mohbad wife and Mohbad manager dey knack. Okay, wait, maybe that text where you say, wait, first of all, that recording where they online, where Mohbad dey accuse him wife, saying wife won't buy him. You understand? Say if Mohbad and if his wife and the family buy him, say the girl will suffer. That voice note na Mohbad recorder.
I swear to Almighty God, it was I think the video was from the girl made the video of him, because maybe anytime he's trying to accuse the girl was always like keeping evidence. There was one time she told me she wanted to go and report Mohbad, and Mohbad keep accusing her this and that. But Mohbad told me one day, that night of that NDLA, which I took him to my house, he told me that he wants to tell me stuff, and I was like, okay bro, what was that? He made mention of his wife having affairs with someone beside the Marlians house. I don't want to mention him, but I was like,
wait. Mohbad tell you say wife dey get affair with somebody from Marlians.
I swear to God,
the person na man no wanna see this manager.
Na man, no be even this manager.
Beside the Marlians house.
If the girl can actually sit down and look to my face and say all these things I'm saying is a lie, then I drop off every allegation based on. I swear to you.
So Mohbad wife dey knack person from Marlians house.
That's what he told me.
That's what Mohbad told you.
I brought two of them. I took two of them to my house. I took two of them to my house in my estate. So me trying to like go to he told me that let us go and get drink and get smoke. So we start settling the matter. So which Mohbad wife was there, because so I'm going to the estate gate to go and get to the store. They called us from the Marlians NDLA. Day out, so they don't carry easy, they don't do everything. I was like, okay, let's rush it back let's rush down there. Then we rushed down. I was the guy carrying the stuff that they will not even carry anybody here. Where's their warrants? I was the guy there. We rushed there, like they called us. It wasn't even me that they called. I think they called his wife. Wife said that they said AJL is at home, that we should come. Then we rushed there. Like, what's going on? This, that. Even when we got there, they already handcuffed Zino already. And
so you did that day when NDLA come boss Mohbad?
Yes.
You were there that day?
I was not there. Me and Mohbad was in my estate. They called us that NDLA is at home.
At home?
Yeah. Then
so now, this talk about say NDLA knock Mohbad down, correct?
Yes.
Not true?
Yes. They even knocked me. Said if anybody has video, my head was swollen. I was locked up at NDLA for this.
So NDLA knock Mohbad, and NDLA knock you too. They knock
my head swelled up.
This only show say they give Mohbad something to drink. How true?
I don't know about it, because when we got there, I think Marlians team came to bail Mohbad because he had show next day in Dubai. So they were like, they shook it. They know that this matter has escalated, but now let's try sort Mohbad, because they can't refund the money for the show is being paid for. And they said, okay, they reached their agreed. They took him to the house that night. They took him back to the house that night. When he got to the house, there was one of his boy and his brother, blood brother, same papa, same mama, which I even asked them. They said when they got back home, it's not even up to like 1 hour or 40 minutes. He just came outside and started running.
So when they took him, wait, you're trying to say after they